Like the overall experience with all these guys, all the other students, like it's been actually like phenomenal throughout the past 3 days. My name is Josh. I'm from San Francisco Bay Area, California. I'm here because I'm learning how to rap.
Hello, my name is Dalit. I'm from Kazakhstan, and I took another class, the rap class.
I found this place out just by looking online, did a ton of research. There's a few places in San Francisco that did school, but the reviews weren't as good. Talking to the guys here, it seemed like it was way more worth it than just going 45 minutes away. And truthfully, like I'd invest more time even being down here, you know, like far away from home. I'd probably stay here for a week to learn this more, to dial it in, you know. It also like will give me opportunity to like go on to like more detailing, you know. It's a blast, honestly.
Before, I didn't know about rapping, nothing. First time I tried to do rap by myself, but I got it paid more time, so then I came here. Ruben showed us what we need to do, how to do the content techniques, so how to do the corners, everything doing perfect, and so everything smooth, nice. The Ruben have more experience, so it's more than 15 years, and he explained me everything, because my English is not good, so but he trying to explain me more and I can understand what he's saying. So he showed me how to do right. So this is not good, this is good. So, and I can understand everything because he respects every student. So he pay attention for everyone. Don't say, hey, I don't care, not like this one. So for every student, he pay attention. So this is why I like it.
I came here like not knowing what to expect, and we like sat in class for a few hours, which was like definitely needed because it really like got us to where like we needed that knowledge, you know. Ruben's like honestly a great teacher. I couldn't ask for better. He knows his stuff. He's dialed in. He's been doing this for years, and it's honestly he's taught us in like within a few days and like making us like already making a good car. So couldn't ask for better, you know. The overall experience with all these guys, all the other students, it's been actually like phenomenal throughout the past 3 days because it's like you guys are all like really nice dudes and like you're all really helpful like no matter what. So it's been fantastic. Go Rightlook.